Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc. Class 5th. Today we are going to start our chapter number 10, that is television. So competitions were going on in different states during a stage youth festival. At the same time, many teachers, students and masters were waiting eagerly to know the result of the complete program. So there was a competition going on, and that was a state youth festival. And at that time, many teachers, students were eagerly, desperately waiting for the result of that program. Suddenly, an announcement captured the attention of all. English elocution, first prize with grade A grade, Neetu Jain. All her friends lifted up Neetu and congratulated her. Then suddenly the announcement had been made that first prize goes to Neetu Jain with A grade. Then all the friend of Neetu were very happy and they congratulate Neetu. Flashlight were on. The media people asked Neetu how Neetu from a vernacular medium school could compete with the students of English medium school and secure the first prize. So now light focused on Neetu, and media asked question to Neetu that Neetu, you are from a medium school and you had competed with English medium and you got first prize also. Then Neetu replied humbly, as per my daddy's instruction, I daily listened to news on television and try to imitate the accent of the news readers. Then Neetu replied to their answer that my dad used to give me instruction that listen to English news, and that will enhance your comm skills. So that's what I did, and I did not understand everything. Still, I continued the practice. Sometimes I watch good English movies which were suggested by my dad. I try to imitate their conversation style. All these help me to imbibe a good English speaking style. It increased my vocabulary too. So I used to listen English news, English movies. Although I'm not getting all the things what they are telling, but still I practiced a lot, and I also try to speak in a way as they were speaking. So that all these practice enhanced my vocabulary also. In the light music competition, Neetu's brother Nitin also got a prize. He regularly watched the little light music lesson through television. So in other competition, that was music competition, Neetu's brother got first prize in music competition. He also used to watch TV on a regular basis. So let us appreciate and congratulate these children. At the same time, let us learn a bit about television, a marvel of science. So let us congratulate them and appreciate them for their good work. And now let us read some good things, some good effects about television. The invention of television has shortened the distance between countries. Time and distance are only within the click of a remote control. So invention through the invention of television, we can see all the world by sitting at home only. So it we can say that the distance between the countries has been shortened. Now television is very useful teaching aid because it helps us to imprint the image of all that we see in our brain more deeply. Television opened before us a wide world of the knowledge on different subject and topic. It informed us about whatever happened all over the world immediately. So television is considered to be a very useful teaching aid as we can learn the things practically by seeing the images. By seeing the images, learning is very easy. So it also inform us about what is happening all over the world. Now television is a very good tool which help us to prepare for competitive exams, GK test, etc. The geographical channel give us a vast knowledge about the snowy mountain, the underworld, and the secret of the sky. It is a powerful means of recreation and entertainment. So we can say that television is a good tool for study, for prepare of the competitive examination. Then it also give the knowledge about the geography. That means it tells about snowy mountains under the world and the secrets about the sky. So it is considered as a powerful mean of recreation. For today till here it is enough. In next video I will explain you the remaining chapter.